Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card is using a product from the new Stampin' Up! Mini catalogue. It's the Best Delivery stamp set. Here it is here on page 53 of the catalogue. That's what the catalogue looks like. I'm actually going to make that card there. When I get a new stamp set, sometimes I just don't know where to start. So I usually always start by doing something sort of simple out of the catalogue, because the images in our catalogue are always so fantastic. And always when I start with a new product, a new idea, I can usually always jump off and make something else from that one. But using images in the catalogue is always a good way to start, I reckon. So let me show you. I'm not doing exactly the same, but pretty much. So here's my card. I'm using a Blushing Bride as my card base, and then some Highland Heather, and I'm tying in some of these colours here. So the Designer Series paper I've used is actually paper that's in the Sweet Conversations bundle. I'm using the striped one here. So a little bit of colour, a little bit of stamping. I'm going to use the Stamparatus for the actual the truck, the delivery truck. Isn't it the cutest thing? So cute. Right, let's get started. So I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus. I've already gone ahead and set them up on the plates. So I've already gone and measured my paper, so I know exactly where it's the placement. So I'm going to go ahead and ink up my truck already. If you don't have a Stamparatus, it's great for projects like this, because when you want to get the placement just right, or if you've got a lot to make, it's a great idea. So let's just do that. All you do is flip it over, press down, and then come back. And see, my magnet was a little bit in the way there, so I'm just going to move that magnet out slightly, and then come in again, and it'll catch the bottom. There it is. Perfect. So I've actually used Smoky Slate for that one. Leave it in, and then I'm going to bring in the other plate, because that's where I've got my sentiment all ready to go. I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Highland Heather. So this is where, so I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Granny Apple Green. This is where, when you're doing multiple cards, and you have both your plates set up, it's just so handy. Here we go. Press it down. Sending lots of love today and each day after. Really like that sentiment. So I'm just going to pop that out of the way. Clean the plates up later on. And I'm going to do some colouring on here and some stamping. But before I do that, I'm going to do the stamping on the back of the card base. So that's my card base. And I'm going to do some stamping with the Blushing Bride ink pad. And I'm just going to go randomly with this. So I'm going to go full strength, then some of them that are not full strength, some that are just random. And because I know that middle piece there is going to be covered over with around about there. So I might just put another couple in just here. Maybe another full strength one up in the corner there. Let's try one more there. There we go. So by just using the full strength and then stamping it off, you get, the different textures, different colours. So let's go ahead now and colour in our cute little truck here. So I'm using this one here. I used Highland Heather, and I'm using the Granny Apple Green to tie in here, and also there's more Granny Apple Green in my Designer Series paper. But I did forget to put little hearts on here. These are cute. Just got to make sure I've got them going the right way. Yes, they are. Just a little bit around the corner there. Go. All right, so let's go in with our Granny Apple Green. I'm going to go in with my light Granny Apple Green, and I'm just going to do the door frame. Then with my darker, I'm going to colour in the door. Going in with my light just to take out those harsh shades. I should have started with the light first and then gone in with the dark, but it doesn't really matter. There we go. And I'm going to use the dark smoky slate for inside the trim here. And then a little bit of the dark here. And come in with my light. Just, whoops, wrong end. I don't rate myself as a great colourer, but just trying to get that little bit of shading in there. Okay, that's that little bit done. Now for the banner, if you still have your banner punch that has retired, go for it. Use that one. What I do, it's the cheats way, but I always know I get it correct, because I just sort of fold the edges together there like that. And then I just do a little snip. And that way I know I've always got it right. Sometimes I don't get it right. Okay. Oh. And I'll just place it over there. Really easy card to make. And put some dimensionals on the back of this one, and it's how easy it is to make. So yeah, if you get a new stamp set, you love it, but you think, oh, I don't really know where to start, the catalogue is a great place, because there's always an image in there that's, you know, pretty easy to copy out, and there's always ones that are a little bit more trickier as well, so if you're more of an advanced card maker. So there you have it. So this one here, I made a similar one to that one, and there's my two cards in two different colorways. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at all, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.